Twinny, the Jamaican magic fairies. Twinny is two Jamaican fairies that are often spotted together centuries ago. They bear a striking resemblance to each other and was speculated to be fairy sisters. Twinny possess the powers to cause anything they touch to spring a double. Legend has it that centuries ago, Twinny could be spotted everywhere across Jamaica. Wherever they are spotted, things would oftentimes do and or spring its double. Sometimes people would often see double flowers, double humans, double homes, double fruits, double livestock, even double waterfalls. People living in those areas would say that it was because of Twinny.